Welcome to episode 2575 of the Daily Meditation Podcast. I'm Mary Meckley, and I welcome you to day 4 of our series we're exploring this week. This week, we're exploring Ubuntu. Ubuntu is the ancient African philosophy of ensuring that human dignity is always at the core of your actions, your thoughts, and your deeds when you interact with others. I'll be sharing with you a guided meditation where you have the opportunity to do a mudra, where you hold your hands in a particular way that is considered to stimulate a corresponding region of your brain, similar to yoga or acupressure. This is a 5,000-year-old technique. So this week is all about ancient wisdom for your modern life. If you find that this series really speaks to you, especially in light of international events these days, you can find the full 30-minute guided meditation experiences on the Sip and Om app. This is my app where I offer 30-minute daily guided meditations, as well as a daily journal prompt, as well as a guide with all the tips and techniques and insight to help you go a little more deeply into a particular theme. You can always try 1 week's theme absolutely free. I invite you now to settle yourself down and get ready to meditate. I invite you now to reflect on a word that might have represented your year. At the very beginning of the year, we did a series where you selected a theme word to represent what you hope to achieve or aspire to this year. Maybe the word is peace. Maybe you want to change the word you selected. Maybe your word is completion. Whatever it may be, I invite you to think of a word that could serve as a theme that you reflect on regularly as a compass to direct you as you go throughout your days and weeks and months. As you reflect on this word, I invite you to consider how some of the qualities of Ubuntu could be woven into your theme this year. Reciprocity, common good, peaceful relations, emphasis on human dignity, and the value of human life. Maybe one of those words jumped out at you. As you close your eyes and gently uplift them to the point between your eyebrows, and as you straighten your spine, begin to relax your mind and body with your consciousness raised to a value you hope to include into your life. Reciprocity, common good, peaceful relations, emphasis on human dignity, the value of human life, tolerance, mutual respect. Focus on one value and allow yourself to take this value deeply within you. begin to relax into this sense of inner peace, focusing on a word you've selected to represent your theme for the year and to represent a quality of Ubuntu. What do you need more of in your life these days? It's likely connected to others who likewise need more of this in their life, as we're all connected. If it feels right to you, go ahead and do the mudra. It's a simple mudra you can do, tapping your thumb tip to your index fingertip, doing this with both hands. It looks as though you're making a circle or the OK sign with your fingers. This is the Dhyana Mudra. It helps you to feel complete and united with the world around you. Continue to hold this Dhyana Mudra, feeling united with your environment, with others, focusing on your theme word, what you want to bring more of into your life. You are so worth slowing down for.